Okay, millions of years ago, the strongest creatures on earth were dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were very big. They were the rulers. They would be the 5 times bigger than elephants. They would walk around and they were ruling. Then the ice started melting and all the dinosaurs died. All of them. Now you can't see a dinosaur. Only in movies you see special effects. No more dinosaurs. Millions of years ago, there was another creature we don't respect called cockroach. You know, cockroaches were there millions of years ago. Cockroaches are there even now. Cockroaches, you'll find them everywhere, even today. They are living in the poshest colonies of Hyderabad. Banjara Hills, Jubilee, High Tech. They are living everywhere. I mean real cockroaches, not like writer I'm trying to say anything else. Okay. Why? Because cockroach is the most adaptive creature on earth. We never respect, we don't even like them. But there is something to learn. Cockroach, what does adaptive mean? What does it mean in practical terms? It means being like, it's okay, we'll adjust. Now this attitude needs to be there at work also. You know, if something is changing, you shouldn't be like, I'm not going to change. You have to be like, it's okay, I'll adjust. So cockroaches adjust. We used to live in, cockroaches are like, okay, first we used to live in jungle, now you have to live in Gachibowli. It's okay, we'll adjust. First we used to eat leaves and insects, now we have to eat Kellogg's. It's okay, we'll adjust. They change their diet. Other animals can't change their diet. Cockroaches can eat anything. They're fine, right? One of the ways you tell that a species is doing well is if they are reproducing. If they are reproducing, means life is good. Cockroaches reproduce anywhere. In the car, in the kitchen, at night, male cockroach will call the female cockroach. Are you come? She's like, what are you saying? This is hard Italian marble. He's like, it's okay. Dil mein jagah aani chahiye. Yeah, they should be placed in the heart. Then they're fine, right? They're like, what are you doing? How can we do now? Yesterday, Chacha ji was killed in the spray. They're like, it's okay, we'll bring new Chacha ji to the world. Cockroaches are the most adjusted creatures. Think about this. There are companies in this world, multinationals like Baygon, HIT. What are their purpose? Like ARC has a mission above, and their mission is one: kill the cockroaches. Right? They have millions of dollars of capital. They have HR, finance. They must be having conferences like this. They must be going to office. Children asking their fathers, Dad, where are you going? I'm going to office. Why are you going? I'm going to kill cockroaches today. Have they been able to? With government sanction, with human beings not liking that creature, nobody likes cockroaches. And with big companies putting hundreds of crores behind in capital, they are not able to kill it. What a creature. Think about it. Right? You know why? They get used to the spray. It goes in the blood. It's like single malt for them. Chalo yaar, aaj spray laga ke aate hain. Now that is the attitude you need to have in life if you want to win.